Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for this video, I'll be showing you how I have updated my routine with my wash and goes for my TWA. So keep watching. So for this video, as far as my stylers, I'll be using 3 products. The first being my Lottabody Wrap Me Phone Mousse, which is this right here. And the second being Miss Jessie's Jelly Soft Curls. Now this is a gem right here. Wait, let me show you. There you go. This is a gem. I feel like my curls, one, definitely feels super soft, but also super defined. And I don't really experience any flaking, to be honest. The only time I probably will experience some sort of flaking would be around my hairline area, and that's because of course it's in combination with my edge controls, so I expect that. But other than that, I don't experience any flaking, so I absolutely love this. And then the last one is now my personal favorite edge control. It is Edge Booster, and this is in the coconut banana scent. I love this stuff. So those are gonna be my 3 stylers for this video. So let's just jump right into it. So of course, before I even add those, I'm gonna go ahead and just put some leave-in because I just finished washing my hair. So I want that to be like the first thing I do. After that, I go ahead and use my mousse and apply as much as I possibly need so my curls can be nice and juicy and form. Alright, so now that everything is evenly distributed, I'm going to go ahead and section by section add my Miss Jessie's Jelly Soft Curls product. If you want to do this all in one whole, you definitely can do that, but I feel like now that my hair is getting longer, I want the product to be evenly in there, so by doing it section by section, it works a little bit better. Okay, so I went ahead and I did the sides off camera, and so now I'm gonna go ahead and just continue doing the middle part. Like I said, this gel really makes my curls look super defined and super shiny and super moisturized. Okay, so my curls all set. So now my last step is to do my edges, and I am using the Edge Booster. This is the pineapple scent. This is like one of my favorite things to use nowadays. So try this out if you haven't already. Edge Booster. guys, so that is my routine. I go ahead and I just define and I just sculpt with my edge control, and I love this look and how I preserve it. So I let it air dry, let it fully get all the dampness or the wetness or whatever out of the way, and then I go to sleep. I put a bonnet over my head, or sometimes I'll sleep on my satin pillowcase. So of course in the morning it's gonna be super flat on the sides, so I take my fingers and I kind of just like pull it out just a little bit before I spray it with water. And then after I spray it with water, I let it just sit there. You know, I get ready, do my makeup, go about my business, and then finally come back and just use my fingers and kind of like go like this in that kind of motion until all the water is fully gone. And then it kind of helps it kind of like shake the curls, but at the same time seep into the curls so they come back to life. And then for my edges, so when I go to sleep, sometimes my edges are still in the form that I had it before. So when it looks like it's about to be caked up, I'll use a rag and just wipe the excess product off so I can start fresh again. But sometimes if it's just in place and I'm like, okay, I don't need to even add any more product, that's how good this edge control is. Sometimes I don't even need to reapply anything. What I'll do is just like, you know, clean up the edges of my edges. I'll just clean it up and then I'll just go about my business, and that's it really. And this lasts me all week. I do not have to restyle my hair at all. Literally, I just spray it with water every morning, do my little hand method, and go about my business. I hope this was helpful. I hope you guys try out all of these products. I absolutely love how this style looks, and I'm happier. My hair is getting longer, so my wash and goes are looking a lot different these days. So thanks guys for watching, and I hope you guys tune into my next video soon. I love you guys. Bye.